I lau sunga il tai o le sauninga, ma lau awaa. Toi ina mawhalitua. Le paia ma le mamalu o le ekalesia I takani nei. O Samoa poto. Ai mai se o ma a inga o whaatasi mai nei afi. Tūlou na lava. Ma lo lavi soifua. O au o Litara, Ieremia, Allan. Wa o le eldest granddaughter Wanda ma Davita. And one of the eldest grandchildren, Lale. As we all know, Lale had many favorite hobbies, but one of them, which is one of my favorites, is he would like to sing old songs to us grandchildren and reminisce about old movies to us, one of them being The Sound of Music. So while I struggle to find the words to describe my pa, I shall sing a song for you this morning, this afternoon. Say too low. How do you solve a problem like Lale? How do you catch a cloud and pin it down? How do you make him stay and listen to all he says? How do you even get him to change his mind? E te le tala anga si o tama. Some good, some bad, some scary, some wild, some I can't believe. So let me share a few to entertain you as we celebrate this one-of-a-kind man. There was a day where we were having lotu. Famaitama, who is the best man in the world? The cousins looked around, afraid to make him frown. Then one spoke up and said, "Oh, epa." Famai pa le ai au ke fia poko. Ole atua, ole best man of the world. Now spell it. Famaita mighty, B-E-S-T. Famaita ma koi fai. B-E-S-T, M-A-N, best man. Ole fesili lona lua o lotama. Who gave you life on this earth? Famaita mighty, ole atua, famaita mai le ai o au. There is no man like my pa, who can turn a lotu into a spelling class. No matter how old you are, you can't go very far from his voice saying koi fai fale. There was another story he would tell me. He said he went to Cambridge University. He told me he got better grades than his best friend, the Prince. I thought to myself, I'm sure Mr. Prince Charles doesn't even know who you are. Ola seto fa se olo tama. Se tulo le pa ia male mamalu. Peitai o le toi ina le nei. E poto toi au lele. Opa ola uwo peleina. After all, there's no problem with Lale, because he said it himself. He is indeed the most honorable of all, and so he lives with us all. In memories he does give to us in trust. So, manuia lau malanga lau pele. O te alofa tele a te oe. We love you very much. Come visit us in our dreams. We'll see you very soon, our King. There is no problem with Lale. But how do you catch a cloud and pin him down? How do you make him stay and listen to all you say? Come stay a little longer, dear Pa. Manuia lau malanga, dear Pa. We love you very much. See you very soon with Christ our Lord. Rest well, dear Pa.
Manila malanga pa. Pak Cai.